The article provides a comprehensive guide to repairing dents on a car's exterior, helping restore its appearance and resale value. Start by evaluating the dent's location, size, and paint condition to decide if DIY repair or professional help is needed. It lists essential tools like heat sources, suction cups, fillers, sandpaper, primer, paint, and dent repair kits. Several DIY repair techniques are described. Plunger method uses suction to pop out shallow dents. Hair dryer and compressed air method uses heat and cooling to contract and reshape the dent. Dent puller kits offers a more professional approach with adhesive tabs and pulling tools for deeper dents. For deeper dents, it covers using body filler, sanding, priming, painting, and applying a clear coat for protection. It also highlights Paintless Dent Repair as a quick professional alternative for small to medium dents that haven't damaged the paint. Finally, the article emphasizes finishing touches, such as adding protective coatings and waxing to maintain the repair. Fixing car dents is easy with the right tools, but professionals are best for complex repairs. If you need famous dent repair done, call Eric at 208-2515338. That's 208-2515338. Or send email at eric@theratofgemstatepdr.com.